So hi there, let's welcome to lesson 3. We are taking on labeling and we will not spend so much time in this lesson. If you have not received any, if this is the first time of watching a video on this channel, I would refer you to a link to watch more on labeling, and that will be somewhere I think in module 3. I hope I'm correct. No, or module 2, one of the modules, but the link will be in the description below so that we don't have to repeat ourselves. But of course, for emphasis sake, we'll go through one or two things again. But if you have watched that video, you don't need to skip this, just need to tie it together. So I had mentioned about the 6 frameworks when it comes to cleaning. So this particular labeling just addresses basically one, you know so we are going to look at the variable labels, and I talked about clarity, and this is the syntax. We had used it before. Can label a variable, and please, this is wrong. You have to mention the name of the variable and then the string. So you say label variable, mention the name of the variable, and then what you want to call it. I've also emphasized that it only takes up to 80 characters. So it's one of the things you need to do in your data set. Label your variables properly. So if the variables are empty or they're not really clear, you now sit down and label them properly. So thank you so much. I would also still leave the link below so that you can see the practicals we had done on labeling of variables, and you can go back there. And I'd also mentioned quite a number of things in that video, but I'll show you in the link description below. Hopefully that will be useful to bring you up to speed. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in lesson 4.